Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Calandra, and I'm going to show you how to fill out your graphic organizer for narrative writing. Um, if you are in Google Classroom, it will look exactly like this. If you're doing the paper packet, it's very similar. It has all the sections. It just looks a little bit different. You have characters. That's your characters that are going to be in your story. Setting, where it's taking place. It has to have a problem and a solution, and your story has to have a beginning, middle, and end. So it needs all those parts in order to be a good narrative writing paper. Okay, I'm going to click on the box. And if you have the paper packet, you just write in the box. Everything I type in here, it's just my ideas. I don't have to use them, but it gets my thoughts on paper so that way I can easily write my narrative paper. So my characters, I'm going to use myself in it. I'm also going to have a brother Sam, my mom, my dad, and my friend Sally. So those are my characters. Once I've done that, I click into my setting box. So what I have here is I'm in Fresno, and I am going to move to Denver, Colorado. So Denver. So my setting can change. Maybe I don't want to be in Fresno. Maybe I don't want to be in Denver. It's wherever you want it to be. But make sure you put where you are. Every good narrative has a setting. A problem. Well, my problem is I'm moving and I don't want to move. So I have to move and I don't want to. And another thing to remind you of, you don't have to use complete sentences when you're doing a graphic organizer. But when you are writing your narrative paper, you do have to use complete sentences. These are just ideas. My solution. Well, my solution is I will find friends. I find friends and I fit in. So that will be my solution. So my problem is I have to move and I don't want to. My solution is I find friends and I end up fitting in where I go. Okay, every story starts with the beginning. So in the beginning, I'm going to find out that I'm moving. I'm moving. My dad got a new job. My dad got a new job. I can also put how I'm feeling. I'm feeling sad. I don't want to move. So I can keep adding and adding to my beginning. So, like I said, it's just my ideas. Middle. Well, in my middle, I'm going to talk about my problem. I'm going to have to figure out how am I going to solve my problem. So, in the middle, I go to a new school when I move. Oops, I move. I don't know anyone. I'm still feeling sad. Sad. And I miss my friends. So that's the middle. I can add more and more. I'm just showing you a quick example. And like you see, I'm not using complete sentences. In the end, I'm going to say, I find a new friend named Sally. Sally. I end up fitting in. I fit in with my classmates. Um, I am happy. So I find a new friend named Sally. I fit in my classroom and I'm happy. So I can write some more stuff in the ending. I don't just end my story and say, oop, I'm done. So these are just thoughts that I am going to maybe or maybe not use in my writing. So I can use it or I can't. and I can add more and more. It just depends how much you want to put in. But make sure when you're writing your narrative, you use complete sentences and you use dialogue. It's very important. Thank you, boys and girls. You guys are awesome, and I hope to see you soon.